Hello, good morning. How are you today? Today is 7/11/2025. So now we practice pronunciation. Okay, let's do it. Route, rent, every, very, or, far, call, or truck, rim, fruit, grab. It's over there. I'll park the car in the garage. The weather is cool and refreshing after the rain. Parker is practicing his speech for the presentation. Rachel runs a successful restaurant in the heart of city. Riley Rabbit readily ran right around the rosebuds. Rabbit, rice, radio, rain, rice, rare, red, rich, red, river, reason, record, reduce, refer, carrot, curry, curry, parent, orange, cherry, zero, hero, fresh, mirror, tourist, call, floor, ball, star, guitar, fall. It's over there. What's for dinner? Better late than never. Let's order something for breakfast. I'll park the car in the garage. The weather is cool and refreshing after the rain. Parker is practicing his speech for the presentation. Rachel runs a successful restaurant in the heart of city. Riley's rabbit readily ran right around the rosebuds. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. Her career in law firm is permanent. Richard and Brooke took a ride in their brand new Land Rover truck. Everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. The wind from the west was very wet. We woke up and watched the white wash cloth. We waited for Whitehead to give us water. We had a wonderful time in Washington and Wisconsin. Ray was born in Russia and he dreamed of building the perfect roller coaster at the Grand Canyon in Arizona. He had a friend named Fred who lived in Norway. Fred's professional was designing railroad tracks and his career involved traveling all around the world. Result, it would be perfect if Fred designed his roller coaster ride. Fred was creative, brilliant, and worked well with railroad tracks. He would be the perfect engineer for the project. The ride took 2 years to construct and was painted red and white. Everyone really wanted to ride the brand new roller coaster. Last year, I traveled around a small rural town near a beautiful river. The road was quiet and the fresh air made me feel relaxed. Every morning I took a short ride to explore the area and record my journey. With my camera, I tried local restaurants, enjoyed rich seafood and met friendly residents who shared stories about that reason. One day I rented a small raft to row across the clear water. It was a great experience and I really want to return to this place again.